Imagine this. Somewhere in deep space, the countdown has already begun. A colossal object larger than a mountain, heavier than anything that has ever approached Earth, is racing toward the planet. Its mass is measured in trillions of tons. But its true danger lies beyond its size. With every passing second, Earth's gravity pulls harder. The object accelerates, faster and faster, becoming unstoppable. Its speed climbs beyond comprehension, faster than sound, faster than anything humanity has ever built. The physics is simple. Mass multiplied by acceleration equals force. And this force is catastrophic. As it enters the atmosphere, the air in front of it has nowhere to go. It compresses, heats up, and ignites. The object transforms into a blazing fireball, tearing across the sky. It crosses vast distances in minutes. Around it forms a shell of superheated gas, a plasma reaching thousands of degrees. It shines brighter than the sun itself. This is not just an impact. It's an energy release. Its trajectory is shallow, skimming toward the surface. That angle directs the full force forward, like a colossal burning spear. Even before impact, the sky erupts in light. The brightness is so intense it scorches the landscape, casting permanent shadows into the ground. Living creatures feel the heat before they understand the danger. And then impact. It happens faster than perception. In an instant, unimaginable energy is unleashed equal to millions of the most powerful explosions. The ground at the impact site behaves like liquid under the force. If it had struck deep ocean, some energy might have been absorbed. But here in shallow water, the ocean flashes into vapor. The object itself ceases to exist, merging violently with the earth. Massive amounts of rock and molten material are blasted into the sky at extreme velocities. The crust fractures, ripped apart as if it were fragile. The surrounding air heats to lethal temperatures. Moisture evaporates instantly. Vegetation dries and ignites. A shockwave expands outward, flattening everything in its path. But this is only the beginning. Because the aftermath will not last seconds, it will last years. And it may reshape the entire history of life on Earth.